Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys data saver mode. How to enable? Friends, you want to enable guys Samsung phone guys data saver mode. So how can you enable it and how can you use it? Today friends, I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video, man, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video friends. Now let's see how can we enable Samsung phone data saver mode and how can we use it. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting is you can see this type of setting in your Samsung phone device. So when we will search here guys, direct here guys data saver. So data saver guys we will search here guys. First you can see phone data saver. Tap here. Friends you can see guys your data saver guys we will tap here to enable. So friends you can see data saver helps cut down your data usage by preventing apps from using data in the background. So once you want to enable, so guys you can enable from here, and as you can see allow. So when which app guys you want to allow guys you can allow from here. So once I have allowed to get this app. So example guys, I will allow for get this map also guys, and guys Google TV, Play Store and Gmail and Google I will allow from here. So once like that guys you can enable Samsung for get data saver mode. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.